Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless blender is probably one of the most convenient kitchen gadgets you can own. Imagine whipping up smoothies, protein shakes, or even crushing ice, all without being tethered to a wall outlet. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cordless blenders, exploring their features, performance, and whether they truly live up to the hype. Get ready to discover which cordless blender reigns supreme and deserves a spot on your countertop. Number 5. PowerLix Handheld Milk Frother, Black. Start your day with the perfect froth. This handheld frother from PowerLix creates creamy foam for your coffee in just seconds. It's the ideal way to enjoy cafe-style drinks at home. Forget about cords and outlets. This battery-operated frother is easy to use anywhere. Simply heat your milk, immerse the frother, and watch it work its magic. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this frother is built to last. The powerful motor and durable whisk deliver exceptional performance, creating rich, velvety foam every time. This frother is not just for milk. Use it to create milkshakes, cocktails, and more. Its sleek design fits perfectly in any kitchen, and it's easy to clean and use. We're so confident you'll love this frother that it comes with a lifetime warranty. Our US-based customer service is ready to help with any questions. Order yours today and start frothing. What we like. This frother is perfect for anyone who loves a quick and easy coffee fix. Its battery-operated design means no cords to worry about, making it ideal for travel or small spaces. If you are looking for a simple way to create creamy froth for your lattes or cappuccinos, this is a great choice. What people say. The blender is very easy to use and clean. It's also very portable and can be used anywhere. The battery life is also pretty good. Number 4. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick 8-Speed Immersion Blender. This is the perfect tool for all your blending needs. It's slim, powerful, and comes with multiple attachments to make your life easier. With this immersion blender, you can mix, blend, whisk, and froth with ease. It's great for smoothies, whipped cream, and more. It includes a blending shaft for shakes and soups, a frother for all milk types, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. These attachments make it incredibly versatile. Activate turbo mode for an extra boost of power. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle make it comfortable to use, and the blade housing minimizes splashes. Just attach the desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed to your liking. Detailed instructions are included. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe. This makes it convenient for everyday use. What we like. With its blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments, this blender offers versatility for various kitchen tasks. The turbo mode provides extra power when you need it. If you are looking for a multifunctional tool to handle smoothies, whipped cream, and more, this is the one for you. What people say. The blender is very easy to use and clean. It's also very convenient to take it anywhere. The blender is perfect for making smoothies and shakes. Number 3. Immersion Blender 1100W 3-in-1 Handheld. This immersion blender boasts an 1100W motor, providing robust power. It quickly and seamlessly blends ingredients for smoothies, soups, and more, making your kitchen time efficient and enjoyable. With a pulse-activated trigger, you can easily adjust the speed. This offers better control, reduces splattering, and frees your hands for other tasks while blending hot or cold liquids. This 3-in-1 set includes a blending shaft, egg whisk, and milk frother. It's perfect for quick meal prep and various kitchen needs. Easily detach and switch attachments for versatility. The bell-shaped base and food-grade nylon blade guard protect your pots and pans. It also prevents splatter, keeping your clothes and kitchen clean during use. All parts come apart and back together with ease, and are dishwasher safe. The main body can be easily cleaned by wiping with a soft, damp cloth. It's designed for convenience. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free materials, it ensures safe use. You can confidently blend or mix hot ingredients for a healthy cooking experience. This blender offers a non-slip and comfortable grip. It's a perfect gift for chefs, moms, or anyone who loves to cook, ideal for housewarming parties or other special occasions. What we like. This blender's trigger speed control allows for easy adjustment while blending hot or cold liquids. It's a great choice for anyone who wants precise control and less mess. If you are looking for a powerful and efficient blender for soups, smoothies, and more, you should consider this. What people say. The blender is very easy to use. It's also very easy to clean. The blender is lightweight and portable. Number 2. Sangcon 3-in-1 Hand Blender. This amazing hand blender comes with 3 attachments, a blending arm, a whisk, and a frother. It's perfect for making drinks or whipping up sauces. It's the ultimate kitchen companion. This 400-watt hand mixer effortlessly blends, mixes, purees, and whips ingredients in seconds. You can say goodbye to clumpy sauces and hello to delicious meals. The blender offers 2 speeds, letting you choose between gentle mixing or rapid blending. Easily adjust the speed for different recipes and tasks. It helps you indulge your taste buds. It features an ergonomic handle for comfort and control. Simply plug it in and select your speed. Cleaning is also easy, making cleanup a breeze. Whether for yourself or a home chef, it's a thoughtful gift. It empowers anyone to blend ingredients for smoothies, soups, and sauces. It's a stylish gift for any celebration. What we like. The dual speed settings offer flexibility for different recipes, from gentle mixing to rapid blending. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during use. If you like a stylish and easy-to-use blender for everyday cooking, this is the perfect gift. What people say. It's very easy to use and clean. The blender is lightweight and portable. The blender is perfect for making smoothies and shakes. Number 1. Ganiza 6-in-1 Immersion Blender. This immersion blender has an upgraded full copper motor with 1100 W peak power. Its heavy-duty design ensures exceptional longevity, lasting 3 times longer than common motors. This makes it perfect for busy families. With the patented dual-rod frothing system, this handheld blender froths milk into creamy foam 6 times faster. The anti-scratch dual-rod whisk whips eggs 4 times faster, and it also works as a hand mixer for batter and dough. Featuring a SUS 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blade, this immersion blender turns sauces and soups into smooth textures. The upgraded scratch-resistant blade guard protects your cookware. You can say goodbye to lumps and scratches. This hand blender provides 15 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost for precise control. The included attachments make it easy to tackle a wide range of recipes. You can make smoothies, soups, and more with it. The detachable design and hanging loop provide easy storage, ideal for small kitchens. Most parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Remember to wipe the electrical component with a damp cloth. This immersion blender set includes everything you need, making it a great present. It's perfect for moms, grandparents, or anyone who loves to cook. Give the gift of convenience and versatility. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, providing a comfortable grip. Made from BPA-free materials, it ensures safety when handling hot foods. Enjoy blending with peace of mind. Remember to take short breaks to protect the motor. What we like. This blender boasts an upgraded motor and a patented dual-rod frothing system for quick results. With its multiple attachments and adjustable speeds, it's a versatile tool for any kitchen. If you are looking for a comprehensive blending solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The blender is very easy to use and clean. It's also very portable and can be taken anywhere. The battery life is also very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.